Hi everybody, welcome to Turkish Lessons, guys. My name is Yasin Rak. Today, guys, I will help you learn how to say time telling in Turkish. Actually, let's get the title first of all here. Time telling, this title we say in Turkish. Saat söyleme. Saat söyleme. Saat söyleme. Now, we use some words actually as you use in English as well. Look, on the left, as you see English words to talk about the times, and we use on the right side, as you see, the Turkish words. Let's get the title first here as well. Time telling in Turkish. Türkçe'de saat söyleme. Okay, let's get to words here. Saat, o'clock. Geçiyor, past. To, var, kala. Either you can use var or kala. I will show you examples. Half, buçuk, buçuk. Or you can say yarım, yarım. Çeyrek, çeyrek, çeyrek. Çeyrek geçiyor. Quarter past. Çeyrek geçiyor. Quarter to. Çeyrek var. Or you can say çeyrek kala, 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 çeyrek kala. About nearly, yaklaşık, 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 yaklaşık. But we don't pronounce K so strongly here. I'm just doing this for you to say the words correctly. That's why. Yaklaşık. And to talk about what time is it, so we say saat kaç, saat kaç. Saat kaç. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Actually, after me repeat, guys, I will give you a little time to pronounce the words correctly. Okay, let's do this. Saat. Now your turn. You say. Geçiyor. Geçiyor. Var. Kala. Buçuk. Buçuk. Yarım. Yarım. Çeyrek. Çeyrek geçiyor. Çeyrek geçiyor. Çeyrek var. Çeyrek kala. Yaklaşık. Yaklaşık. Saat kaç? Saat kaç? All right, now I hope you did good practice as I gave you a little time to practice after me. Actually, more practice, you'll see that it will really get easier and easier when it comes to speaking part. Now, let's see the examples. To talk about whole hours in Turkish, now, how we use this, as you see in English example, you should start with it is, it is, it is. But in Turkish, we don't need to use this. So we just directly say o'clock first. That means saat. O'clock means first, saat. After, whole hour, one, bir. Okay, so o'clock, and after, whole hour, one. Example, of course, here. Saat bir. Saat bir. Actually, I just keep it short here. You can use also it is, but I just keep it short, and we don't normally use in daily conversation of Turkish dialogues, that's why. So you can say, I just give you example, saat bir, and after, to complete this, dir, dir, D-I-R, D-I-R, okay, dir. Saat bir, dir. But normally we don't speak this way, just to remind you one more time. Okay, let's go ahead. Second example, saat on, saat on, saat dört, saat dört, okay. All right, let's get to half. Half in Turkish, we say buçuk. To help you pronounce correctly, I think this can help you. Buçuk. Don't extend the word, actually. Don't extend the pronunciation. Keep it short. Buçuk. 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 Okay, let's see here. Half past. Half past is automatically, actually, we can say buçuk. 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 As you remember, I told you in the previous slide, so we start first of all, saat, which means o'clock. Okay, so saat, 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 saat. After, you have to say the whole hour, guys. Whole hour. Like, half past what? For example, half past 6, I wrote down here, altı. Half past 4, I wrote down here, 4. Half past 5, I wrote down here, 5. Okay, so o'clock, whole hour, after, half hour, guys. In Turkish, this is how we say. So let's get the examples to say them correctly. Saat 6:30. Saat 6:30. That means it's 6:30. Saat 4:30. Saat 4:30. That means it's 4:30. Saat 5:30. Saat 5:30. It's 5:30. Okay, so I think if you know the formula, how we use this in time telling in Turkish, then you can make more examples by yourself. Okay, let's get to quarter part. Quarter means çeyrek. You know, kind of this pronunciation can help you. Çeyrek. Çeyrek. Okay, guys, çeyrek. So, to say past means geçiyor, past, because there are two ways that you can use. One is quarter past, another one is, I will show you in the next slide, that means two, quarter to. So let's get to first quarter past. Saat, blah blah blah, çeyrek geçiyor. Saat, blah blah, çeyrek geçiyor. Geçiyor, to help you pronounce this, or remember easily to pronounce correctly. It's 9:15. Saat 9'u çeyrek geçiyor. First, as you see here, we say first time, o'clock. Then whole hour, which is black, 9. So we say here u, which is a connection word. 9'u. And after use quarter çeyrek, that means past, and after use geçiyor. Okay, guys. Past, geçiyor, çeyrek, quarter, 9, 9, saat, it's. So, saat 9'u çeyrek geçiyor. Alright, let's see next example, which I said before, quarter to. That means var. Or you can say kala, as you remember, as I said in the beginning of our slide. Saat, blah blah, çeyrek var. Of course, you use here whole hour to describe the time itself. It's quarter to, for example, 9 o'clock. So 9a. Saat 9a. Okay, guys. So put here a. Saat 9a çeyrek var. Saat 9a çeyrek var. Or you don't have to use saat here. This is alternative, guys. But as I'm here trying to help you teach, it's actually better to learn this as well. But you don't need to use this saat. Just directly say 9'a çeyrek var. 9'a çeyrek var. Okay. So let's see some examples for you which I made. Saat kaç? What time is it? Saat kaç? Saat kaç? Let's see examples. Saat 1. I am not sure if you are able to remember this Turkish sentences in English as well. Of course, just give yourself some time to remember in English. If not, I will of course tell you what they are in English. Saat 1. Saat 1. Do you know what it is? Maybe some of you remember actually. In any case, I will tell you. Saat 1 in English means it's 1 o'clock. Saat 10. Saat 10. Do you remember what it is? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Saat 4:30. Saat 4:30. Do you remember buçuk? Half past. Okay. Saat 4:30. That means it's 4:30. Saat 5'i çeyrek geçiyor. Saat 5'i çeyrek geçiyor. Saat 5'i çeyrek geçiyor. It means it's 5:15. It's 5:15. Çeyrek geçiyor. Quarter past. Saat 10'u 10 geçiyor. Saat 10 geçiyor. It means it's 10 past 10. It's 10 past 10. Or you can say it's 10 after 10. Alright, let's see daily phrases in time telling we use in Turkish. For example, as you see here, English examples under it. Alright, let's see. Let's say them. 5'te görüşelim. 5'te görüşelim. See you, görüşelim. T at 5, 5. 5'te görüşelim. See you at 5. Yarın 2:30 nasıl? This is an offer, guys, to someone that you make. So, yarın 2:30 nasıl? Yarın 2:30 nasıl? That means, how about tomorrow at 2:30? How about tomorrow at 2:30? Okay, to meet somewhere, to do something, that's why you offer this question. Yarın 2:30 nasıl? Yarın 2:30. 2:30 means 2:30. Okay, guys. But normally we say in English 2:30 as well. Saat 10:45'te, saat 10:45'te burada ol. Saat 10:45'te burada ol. Or you can say 10:45, 10:45. Or you can say 11'e çeyrek kala. This sentence means quarter to 11. Quarter to 11, 11'e çeyrek kala, which you can say in English as well this way. In English we say be here at 10:45, or you can say be here at quarter to 11. Alright, so I think this is kind of the end of our time-telling lesson. Guys, if you have any questions about this lesson or any further request, please let me know, because I'm here for you to make more lessons which are suitable for your needs. And I will be really very pleased to help you learn Turkish. Thanks for your time, and hope to see you here next time. Bye.